Word and Excel, which is evaluating color-coded interview questions and renaming them to form preliminary themes. And I'm going to conduct that step together with the sixth step, which is adding descriptions to the themes. We are going to rename them and add descriptions to the themes. Let's look at that. Let's copy. Then go to sheet number 2, and let's go and paste this. Okay? This is sheet 1, this is sheet 2. Why have I copied this? Because I want to track my progress before I make any changes to these questions. These questions are the ones I'm going to reverse engineer to form preliminary themes. Let me show you how this is going to be. For example, okay, kindly help us confirm your role you played in IFOMSA. How did you participate in IFOMSA? Role played in IFOMSA, okay? First, I can add the description just below here, description. And I can say that the role the participant played in IFOMSA scholarship process. The role the participant played in IFOMSA scholarship process, okay? So that's the description. With the description, I can go ahead and now edit this question to a preliminary theme called role played in the IFOMSA scholarship program. You can see now that changes from a question to a kind of a preliminary theme that we can be able to adopt, okay? Let's continue. So we will want to know, what do you know generally about IFOMSA award? The description will be the participants' general knowledge about the IFOMSA scholarship award. Let's now edit the question. So we will want to know, what do you know generally about IFOMSA award? This one can be general knowledge about IFOMSA award. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing preliminary themes. I'm not obsessed because I'll go in there and keep revising these preliminary themes to final themes, which is the next step.